Hello, and welcome to this tech tip. Today we wanted to show you how to use automatic recode in IBM SPSS statistics. My name is Astrid Cook, and I'm an analyst here at version 1. So what is automatic recode? Well, you can use automatic recode to recode a string variable to numeric. Now to get started, you'll need to go to the transform menu and select automatic recode. So you can see the transform menu is here, and automatic recode is here. So what would you use automatic recode? Well, let's say that I want to run a one-way ANOVA, and I want to look at spend by region. So I have a region variable, and my region variable is called region description. So you can see it over here. It's a string variable, and I can see the regions. Now, I want to recode each region so that it has a number. So why do I want to do this? Well, when I open up the one-way ANOVA dialog box, I don't see region description in the list of variables. So this is why I need to recode it to a variable with numbers. You'll also notice that we have some missing information. So you can see we have missing here and here and here and here. So we want to make sure that we code this information as missing on our new recoded variable. So this is a scenario where automatic recode is very useful. So let's see how this works in IBM SPSS statistics. So I'm in IBM SPSS statistics, and you can see my data. Now I have the variable region description, so I can see the regions. And then I also want to compare averages across these regions, averages for spend. So I have a spend variable here, and I want to run a one-way ANOVA. Now to get started, I'll go on the Analyze menu, come down to Compare Means and Proportions, and I'll bring up one-way ANOVA. And you notice that the region description variable does not show up in the dialog box. So I'm going to click on Cancel. So I want to recode this variable. I'm going to create a new variable, and it's going to give a code for each of these regions. And then if there's missing data, it will code it as missing. So to get started, I'll go on the Transform menu and select Automatic Recode. So this brings up my Automatic Recode dialog box. I'll bring across Region Description. Now you notice that it says region underscore description. It's got an arrow and then question marks. And that's because you've got to give it a new name. So I'm going to call this region code. And make sure that you click add new name. So let me click on that. And now you can see that it's going to take region description and create a new variable called region code. We're going to recode starting from the lowest value. And I want to treat blank string values as user missing. And all I'm going to do at this point is just click OK. Now, we have output. So London gets a code of 1. Northern Ireland gets a code of 2. The Northwest will be coded as 3. Scotland will be coded as 4. Southwest is 5. And Wales as 6. And then we'll also have a code for missing. And here we have our new region code variable. So we've created a new variable. Now, if I click on the variable view, do you see that under values, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but we also have 7 coded as missing. Now, if you want to go in, we can simply say 7 is missing. And you can see 7 is treated as a missing value. Now, if we go back to run the one-way analysis of variance, let me go to the Analyze menu, Compare Means and Proportions, and then select one-way ANOVA. I will put the campaign expenditure here, and then region here. And then I'll be ready to run my one-way analysis of variance. So remember, Automatic Recode is very, very useful. You can find it on the Transform menu. It's here. It's Automatic Recode. Make sure you select your variable, give it a new name, and make sure you click on that Add New Name button so that it recognizes that from region description, we're creating a new variable called region code. So that's everything we wanted to show you today. If you want more information, you can go to our website at www.spssanalyticspartner.com. So thanks for watching and bye for now.